जैसे धूल उड़ा के सीन उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाजी जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजूड़ के नाचो। हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो, सफल गोल जैसे पाप डोल छोड़ नाचो। जितनी जो तो रोट मोटा बिछा के ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे, हाँ जा गोरे, हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीरा नाचो 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 यारा नाचो।
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another exciting video. Today we will talk about the song Naatu Naatu from film RRR, who won Oscar Award or Academy Award. Don't be confused, Oscar Award is also known as the Academy Award. So first we will know about the Oscar Award, then we will talk about the song. So I have told you in the starting of the video, Oscar Award is also known as the Academy Award, and it was first awarded on May 16, 1929, and it was hosted by Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, AMPAS short form. The most important thing is that this award has too much respect in the film industry. Now I will tell you why this award was given, and you also want to know that why it was given, so please listen it carefully. So this award was given to who has performed well in art and technical work and promote it, also done well in film industry and in song like Naatu Naatu. This award can be won by any country. It will not restricted to limited country only. Now on your screen you see the trophy. So who won the Oscar Award was awarded by the trophy and certificate, and in this trophy there is a soldier who is in the Greek art, and the person who made this trophy is George Stanley, and it was designed by Cedric Gibbons. And when the first Oscar Award was given, I have told you, on May 16, 1929, it was hosted on the place the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel. It was the dinner hotel and was telecast on the radio. When it was telecast there are 270 people present there. The Oscar Award was the oldest entertainment award and was given to film industry. This award was first telecast on television. Walt Disney has won 26 Oscar Awards, which is the most by anyone. And now we will talk about the song in full detail. Hope you are loving this video and you have learned all about the Oscar Award easily. So we will know about the song first. It was released on 10 November 2021 and recorded in the same year 2021 in the studio JB Studios, Hyderabad. Dance is in the form of pop and folk, which is the mix of Indian and Western classical. The song was wrote by Chandra Bose, and the composer and who won the Oscar Award was Kaduri Marakathamni Kiravani, and the director was Shri Shaila Shri Rajamouli, and it was performed by Nandamuri Taraka Rama Rao J.R. and Ram Charan, and it take 19 months to make it. Oscar Award was given to song Naatu Naatu on 13th March 2023 on Sunday to Kaduri Markathamni Kiravani and Chandra Bose, and it was the 95th Academy Award or Oscar Award. And now the interesting fact: the person who won the Oscar Award will get 24-carat trophy, but he cannot sell it to get money. but the person who are nominated and did not get the trophy will receive 40 lakh rupees. So now you will tell me in the comment section if you have a chance to win it. So you will accept it or you will take 40 lakh rupees. And thank you guys for this video. Hope you will understand all about the song and the Oscar award. And now we will meet in the next video. So please like this video, share the video as much as possible and subscribe our channel for new updates. Thank you guys.